Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw to your picture or to a background selected from the design kit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the backgrounds option down below. Here you can select from a vast variety of beautiful backgrounds. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to use. Select its size, then tap on the button continue. Click on brushes, where you should select from these colors that you can find down below. As you slide to the right side of the screen, you can see that there is a bunch of options, and at the top you have various tools that you can use, such as brushes, pencils, crayons, and so on. So start writing or creating your drawing, and you can select other tools, as you can see, their colors, try out all of them, and if you are done with your drawing, then simply tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will be able to see your drawing, and if you want to draw on a picture, then tap on either the camera icon or to the albums and take a picture with your phone. Then select its size, tap on the brushes option again, and you can select a new tool that you want to use, and you are ready to draw. So tap on the check mark icon again, and that's how you can add drawings to your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.